Hi everyone, Erica from FeedbackPanda here. Today we're going to learn about smart sentences. So I have Henry and I have his feedback already in place. And I want to let him know that I'll be on maternity leave for a month. So instead of having to type it out or add a new template just for those students where I'm going to be on maternity leave, I can create a smart sentence. So down here, I'll click Add Smart Sentence. If you already have something populated, of course you can click on here, or we can create. So the category can be whatever you want. For here, I will call it miscellaneous. And I'm going to name my smart sentence maternity leave. And what I'm going to say is, here. So I'll be on maternity leave and I look forward to resuming lessons. In order to save it, you have to make sure that it's generated for both. And then it'll let you save it. Optionally, if you want to do a smart command, so something like how you copy, you can right-click something, click copy. Or you can hit Command C. You can make a smart command with this. So in my case, I'm going to do Command backspace. So I just typed the command and I just typed the backspace. If you're on Windows, you could do Control backspace, Control E, and whatever you want that makes your life easy. This is totally optional, so you don't have to do it. Then we click Add Smart Sentence. So now it's in our library. We can go back to our feedback, and I'm going to do Command backspace, and voila, the sentence is automatically added in. Now you can do this for any sort of sentence you want, but a maternity leave is a great example because you don't need to create new templates for every single course that you teach between now and April 3rd. You can just create a smart sentence, and then after your maternity leave is over, you can always go back in to manage and delete that smart sentence. You can find whatever you want right there. Please let us know if you have any questions, and remember to subscribe. Thanks so much.